So here we are eating these yummy don't
funnel
drop it.
cake fries.
Funnel cake fries. And then I'm gonna time to see how long these birds, every time we eat, these birds come out to get us. It's landed
A bird already landed on my head.
It's landed,
No kidding.
It's landed on Michael's head twice now. So we'll see if one comes out again. Michael's paranoid right now.
I ain't eating pigs, damn it.
Because the birds come out twice.
I think we're far enough out to where it won't get us.
Yeah. Okay, give me one. Yums. Yummy. I think we're far enough out, it won't get us.
We were getting fucking bombarded.
We had a picnic earlier, and the fish landed on, it hit Michael's head twice.
The fucking bird hit me right in my head.
What? See? See? It's coming up!
See that motherfucker right there?
No, oh my god, just calling friends. Ah.
Oh, fuck. No fucking joke.
That's so funny. You're on video record. Did you throw did you throw the food away?
Yeah, they're on the fucking ground. Thinking that they fucking leave me alone. Did you get me throwing it on the ground?
No.
I fucking threw it on the ground. And they just kept fucking chasing me. Y'all saw that for your own fucking eyes right there.
Oh my god.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Dude, you threw away our yummy things.
I thought it would fucking make them stop chasing me.
Dude, they even came, there was a whole group.
How close were they to me?
Like really close. I'll show you the video clip. Holy crap. Scary birds. Scary birds. Hold on, let me show you the video clip. Come here. Are you scared?
You gotta be fucking kidding me. I threw my fucking motherfucking car. I was like, bam!
Man, we lost all those good things.
There's only like 5 left.
Oh, man. I heard it fall down on the ground.
I fucking threw it on the ground like, bam!
I heard it fall on the ground.
Don't fucking eat food around here, man.
Let me show you the clip.
Fucking birds.
Okay.
They'll get your fucking ass.
Come here.
Alright.